Hydromac Machine Tools. We are one of the leading manufacturing and exporter of hydraulic presses. Hydromac Machine Tools. They are used in a wide range of industrial applications, including meeting the demand of hydraulic press. Our company is specialized in providing hydraulic presses from 50 ton to 2000 ton. Hydromac Machine Tools. When it comes to the hydraulic presses, you want nothing but the very best. We have over 40 years experience in the hydraulic industry manufacturing quality products. For our customers, Hydromac Machine Tools hydraulic press design and builds the complete press from design, assembly, programming and testing. Hydromac Machine Tools, our vision continuously create a strong relationship with our customers. Hydromac Machine Tools to use more efficiently latest technological development in hydraulic electrical application. Hydromac Machine Tools standardized or customized production by low-cost automation. Hydromac Machine Tools improving the products, services and process value for money. Impeccable planning, timely delivery, feedback and control, successful and effective after sales services, understanding the requirements of the customers. Hydromac Machine Tools great services network, complete technical support, 24/7 after sales support, experienced team of professionals. Hydromac Machine Tools after sales services. We believe in providing best after sales service to our customers for hassle-free running of our products, high performance and high quality. Any call and inquiry 8448277784. Gmail ID hmp0078880@gmail.com, New Delhi.